Hey guys, not a sushi chef. I decided to make a quick video on how to make sushi rice real quick. I'm just going to run you through the steps. They're really simple, very quick. It's just what I've done the past few times I've done it. And just going to throw it together. I got my rice and everything prepared and ready to go. So, like I said, it's going to be a short video, but I figured I should throw this out here and for any of you guys who've never made sushi rice before. Before we start, if you guys will hit that like and subscribe button, I'm trying to get to 1,000 so that I can support making this channel. I'm going to be putting a lot of videos on here. So also, I'm super into constructive criticism, especially just starting out right now, being just like I'm just now getting started on making sushi. So if any of you guys have any thoughts, anything, please comment below. Please give me, I would love your input. So if you could comment below, I'd really appreciate it. But let's get started. This is a great quality sushi rice that I get from my local corner market. But really you're just looking for short grain rice. I've used regular rice before, but this short grain rice, normally if you look in your rice section, you can find a pretty good sushi rice. But this is the one I use. I like it a lot. I've used regular rice, like I said. It just depends on, the quality of sushi you're wanting to make. Alright guys, we're all finished. That was actually a little bit better than the last time I made sushi rice, so I feel like I am getting better at it each time. But it was super simple, very easy to make, very fun. And please, like I said, please give me a like, please subscribe, and please comment in below. Tell me what you would like to see. If there's any kind of sushi that you would like me to try, that you would like to see me fail at, tell me below, and I appreciate it. I will see you next time.